something about seeing him die that puts it all into perspective, and I wanna stay home, be left alone. Someone make my mind up so I don't have to decide. I got a bad disease. I got a bad disease to fall into. Yeah, I do. There's some reason why I can't sit still. Every waking moment I feel so unfulfilled.